Hello friends, I'm riding a Honda Africa Twin. I just saw this bike and I thought, why not? Let's take it out for a short ride. Oh wow, what the hell? So this bike, which I just found out, or maybe I just forgot, this bike doesn't have your traditional clutch and even your gear shift on your left foot. So nothing there, no clutch. It is basically automatic. So you put it in D, just drive, and you just use the throttle. It'll shift the gears, pretty much like driving an automatic car. It is so weird to not have a clutch here. This, by the way, over here is not a clutch. It's a I don't know, it's a parking brake. Yeah, like a handbrake, I think. So, and it has different modes. Right now I'm in S3, so sports 3, I guess that's the maximum sporty mode. Oh, weird. It has power, man. It does have power, and it is light. It looks kind of huge, but it is really light, and it's comfortable. I'm sitting absolutely straight up, just like sitting on a sofa, and my hands are so up high. This is completely weird feeling. Oh, I'm kind of loving this. Yeah. What else? It has, I believe it has hill descent control as well. It has adjustable traction control, which by the way is on 3, I think, right now. I love this huge windscreen, so you don't have to worry about any sort of wind blast or bugs or dust or anything. It's just really nice to have on our roads here. Oh wow, I like the feeling of it. It's kind of different, but I don't know how to describe it. An automatic bike. All right, what else can I tell you? It's a 1000cc twin engine from Honda, and you can feel the little vibrations, but it's not much different than, oh wow. Okay, let's put it in manual mode for a second there. So this has paddle shifters or whatever, so I can reduce the gear like this, and I can go up a gear. All right, so this is more like, whoa, hey, oh yeah, fun. So it's a 1000cc twin. There are little vibrations, but they're not anywhere near something like Ducati. It's comfortable, really comfortable bike. Wow. And the gear changes are almost instant. I mean, yeah, you press these little buttons and it changes the gear almost instantly. And I like the screens, by the way. I mean, they are nice and visible, and they are sort of in front of you instead of down here, so you can take a quick look and not get distracted too much. I've never ridden this style of a bike before. This is a completely new experience for me. Whoa. I'm gonna try and find a place to show you around, but I don't know. I don't know if I can. This is a busy part of the city. Yeah, I'm going to Casa, by the way, next week. I was thinking of taking one of my bikes, but I don't really have a bike that can handle that kind of environment on the roads, which are, you know, there are barely any roads over there. From what I remember, there was blasting going on and they were building roads last time I went there, and it was really bad, really bad. All the way. And we're gonna ride, or basically not ride, we're gonna drive for about we're gonna drive for about 18 hours non-stop. And we're gonna go directly to Casa. So Chandigarh to Casa in one stretch. It is kind of insane. So this is a bike. It looks kind of huge, but when you sit on it and when you're riding it, it doesn't feel that way. It's really comfortable. All right, I think I should just go back. All right. Okay, I'm gonna make a U-turn, hopefully. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is kind of bulky. Okay, kind of feels weird when you're turning it, obviously, because of this huge front. But I'm sure you can easily get used to it. And I'm sure you would appreciate the automatic gearbox that this bike has, especially in the mountains and on long rides. And you can do manual, and it is pretty good, changes the gears, but you don't get that mechanical feeling of pulling the clutch and shifting the gear. I get that. I mean, it's a one less, you know, thing to attach to the bike, so you kind of feel, what the fuck? Okay, this is it. Whew.